Alright, so here we are taking a look here. Another great product from KamiSafe, KINGJOY. This travel tripod came inside this box. Brings the manual in English and Chinese, warranty card. Came on this box. It also brings a Allen wrench. So pretty nice bag. It has this strap here. It's pretty awesome. I already used it. So I went on vacation last week and I used it. It's very compact and easy to use. You could just unlock by going left. And you just extend. You have a couple of sections here you can open. Keeps on opening, you see? Kind of pretty long. So if you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sections, and you could unfold it here like this. Unfold these other parts here. This is the KINGJOY P056 right here. So let me retract this part here so you can see the whole thing. So over here also, tie it up here, and you could also extend this part by going left, and it goes out. See? So you get 2 sections here. You get here this little ball head, which works awesome. Very strong. You get this leveler here, whatever way you want here. So as you see here, you get this clip. You can open it up, different positions, all the way to this flat here. So it'll be even flat. I'm gonna go ahead and open it, put the camera in. As you can see, you could do shots closer to the ground by putting it backwards. So it's a pretty strong tripod, traveling tripod, and pretty compact. So you can see it here extended pretty high. You could go even higher. So lock and unlock all the way from the ground. The window's high right here. It's pretty high, about let's say 5 feet 7 inches or 8 inches. You also have this here if you want to put a bag at the end. And there you go again. There you go. Let's go.